Hi, all truth seekers out there. I've started to look into conspiracy theories, and I'm finding there are more questions than answers. Um, my latest one, which is my second one, really, but still my latest one, that isn't it? Is concerning gravity and concerning the Earth, movement of the Earth, Sun, and the Moon. And from what I understand, well, props ain't great, but hey, NASA don't do much more, and they've got billions, haven't they? And they still need props. Anyway, we have the Earth here, which is later going to double as the Sun, but you'll see that. And we have the Moon here. Now, according to the heliocentric model, I think it is, the Moon is going around the Earth like this, not spinning at the same time. Just, we always see the same face of the Moon all the way around. It never changes. We're told that's because of the gravitational pull of the Earth on the Moon. So it keeps it in place and it stops it from spinning at the same time. Now, that's the relationship of the Earth and the Moon. Now, what was the Earth? Not to get too confusing, is now the Sun. Now we have the Sun, trying to get some sort of context here with size, although it's very difficult. This is the Sun. There's a cold one because it's got ice cream on it, like them all, but that's another matter. And we've got what, the Earth, which is much, much smaller than the Sun. I know it's further away from the Sun than the Moon is from us, but apparently, I was reading somewhere, I think you can fit 1,300,000 Earths into the Sun. So it's big. But it must have a fantastic gravitational pull, right? So as we go around the Sun, in the same way that the Moon goes around the Earth, we go on this fantastic size of it must have a huge gravitational pull. Yet as we go around the Sun, we are able to spin at the same time. Otherwise, we wouldn't get the seasons and wouldn't get a change of night and day and all stuff. So my question is, with this Sun has this fantastic gravitational pull, it's absolutely huge, and yet it doesn't suck us in, and it doesn't stop us from spinning as we go around it. And yet, you go back to the Moon, and back to being the Earth again, when the Moon is going around the Earth, which is much smaller and has a less gravitational pull, it has enough force to stop the Moon from spinning at the same time as it's going around the Earth. Well, that's the theory, that's what they say anyway. But I have to say, to me, in my mind, that's a contradiction. If anybody can explain to me why the Earth is so strong that it stops the Moon from spinning as it goes around us, and yet the Sun, which is absolutely vast and has a gigantic gravitational pull, or so they say, still, as we go around it, we're still able to spin at the same time as we go around the Sun, which, I mean, you can have it both ways as I see it, you know. To me, I'd like to have an explanation of why there's that difference, that the Moon can't spin as it goes around the Earth, but we spin as we go around the Sun. If anybody has an explanation for this, I'd like to hear it, because I'm not here to say what I know. I'm here to learn. I've listened to a lot on the internet. You get a lot of people who just have an opinion and they want to prove it, and you get those good people who are just searching for the truth and put out ideas out there. And you've got an idea on how this is supposed to work, I'd like to hear it. Thanks. And by the way, like I said last time, the ones who are doing the conspiracy theories on NASA and the flat Earth, some brilliant memes out there. It's a pity that both sides seem to just, when they try to diss the other one, they just pick the little bits with somebody who's out there and who's a bit crazy, a bit wacky, and use that to disprove the other side's theories without really actually going into the concrete thing of looking at the other side's theories and totally demolishing them. Because both sides have some good views, the heliocentric, the flat Earth, but each one ignores the other's good points and just concentrates on their weaknesses. I'd like to see one side actually go and take the other side's apart. What I'd like to see from the flat earthers, one point, if somebody could explain this to me, please. How can the star systems be seen differently in Australia than what is seen up in the northern hemisphere. And if somebody could explain that to me from the flat earth, I'd be really interested. But yeah, some great stories out there, making great stuff, and I'm loving reading it. Thanks very much. Have a great day and a great life. Thank you.